Welcome back, gang. I'm just about to do a couple of pours. So as you can see, here's one I did yesterday as a little trial, did a little tester to see how we got on. Quite pleased with that actually. So now we're going to do some today, and I'm also going to do a couple more stars. Got a show because I'm coming up. So if you guys want to come and purchase, I'm going to have to put these on my website as well. But it's like everything else, it's just finding the time. What I've been making videos, doing me proper work and stuff, it's just getting harder and harder. But, don't worry. You'll be able to get your hands on one of these beauties very, very soon. Right, without further ado, let's get cracking. Or whatever I should say, let's get pouring. Just put some goggles on first. Right, let's see how we crack on. There should be probably a bit too much in there. Oh, look at that. The ripples on that look amazing. Oh, I'm so happy with that. If that pops out just right, I think that should polish up quite nicely actually. Do 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 do. Guess the tune, guys. Oh, I'm happy with that. Oh, I don't know though now. Look at it. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Oh, there's something about pouring. It just gets me juices flowing. I just love it. I do. I absolutely love it. Even when I'm screwing it up, I love it. And there's got to be something there, isn't there? What was it someone said? Find something you love doing and then do it every day. Oh, look at this puppy. Let's give it the quench. Got to have a quench. Oh, sugar. Says he dropping it. Getting too excited in my old age. Too excited. Right. Just quench that. Oh, look. Look at that, guys. Do you know, finally, me and sandcasting are starting to get it on. Let's get it on. Oh, I'm well pleased. Well pleased. That's looking good. That is looking really good. Just got to trim the sprue off. I thought I'd put the sprue in a different place this time just to see if that would make a difference, and clearly it has. And that's the thing with this. It's all a learning game for me. You know, like I watch other people, you know, like, and someone did mention in the comments, you know, like it's not a competition, and I just thought to myself, you know, I didn't think about it at the time, but now that I've given it some thought, I thought to myself, but I'm not in competition with anybody, you know, other than myself. I set myself very, very high standards, you know, like, and I try so hard to excel at everything I do. And, you know, I'm not one of these people who takes defeat very easily, you know. It's not that it's being competitive with anyone, it's being competitive with myself. I just set myself very, very high standards. My daughter sometimes tells me that she thinks I set them too high, but the only way you're going to push yourself is you've got to keep pushing the bar. Got to keep pushing that bar a little bit higher. And for me, yeah, I'm pleased with that. That should polish up a treat. Well pleased. Well, going to pour some more, but next step, let's get the polisher going. Right, back from the polisher. Look at this puppy. Does that not look amazing? I just think I'm so pleased with that. You know, I am just genuinely chuffed to bits. I'm going to be making a lot more of these. In fact, I might even make these my mainstay, you know, now that I've got these. I just think they look so cool. I mean, they absolutely... I don't know if the video is doing it justice, but these just look so amazing. These are so cool. And the stars. I think the stars have come out pretty cool as well. I mean, it's just... As you can see, I've got my little logo on the front there, and I've given these a proper stamping on the back. And I just think, you know, obviously you can see I've got my Union Jack. Apologies for the stamping not being perfectly level. I mean, I'm still new to this stamping lark, but we're getting there. And obviously it's got my rhino on the back as well, you know, and, you know, the purity of 999. I just think everything about this pour, I mean, probably one of the most productive days I've actually had. You know, even this heart, you know, I just think was really cool. You saw me in the stamping video that I did for Ellen, and showing her basically how we do it. So, you know, for me, you can actually see it's, you know, 2.7 ounces, you know, like Troy. So, you know, like, but it's just a nice, this has just got a nice weight to it, you know. Not too much, but just enough. And let me know in the comments, guys, which you prefer out of these. I mean, which is it? I mean, for you, is it the Union Jacks? You know, because I think these are such a cool piece as well. I'm going to be doing more of these. These are a bit tricky, though. I don't know if I'm going to have to work on the relief and just tidy that up. But I want to basically clean those up a little bit. But I just think they look so cool. You know, like we've literally got all these different stars. What I wanted to do was to give people fractional silver, or sort of around 1 ounce silver, really. Around that 1.5 ounces, where you're not paying the earth to have a nice piece of fine silver. And to me, that's the bit that's important. I mean, when you look at, you know, like you've got something like this, you know, it's just over 1.5 ounces, 1.6 troy ounces. But you've got a nice enough weight, but it just looks so cool. And I think that's the difference. I want to have pieces that are cool, something that you guys, when you look at it and think, that's Sovereign Hall. I know exactly where that came from. I remember when I bought it. I remember why I bought it, you know. And for me, that is something that's absolutely key. You know, when you look at things like that and you think to yourself, yeah, I'm happy with that. You know, like, I want to get a few more of those pieces. And that's what I'm trying to build, you know, through my journey. I want you to put in the comments below and say, which of these, is it that one, that one, that one? Or is it just the stars? You know, like whichever it is that floats your boat, I'd love to know in the comments below. So please put some comments down there, guys. Tell me what you actually think. Now, this weekend, I'm going to be at the Windsor Antiques Fair. It's in the community centre at Hanover Way. So if you want to come down and you want to have a chat, or you want to buy one of these pieces, they're going to be there. They'll be available for you to purchase. Just come on down. Or if if you want to actually buy from me, just send me a PM. Send me an email. sovereignhall2025@gmail.com. Send me an email, and you know, you can pay me by PayPal or something, so you know you're nicely protected. Everything I send through the post is sent through Royal Mail special delivery, so obviously that needs to be factored in. But the point is, I want to ensure that your goods, when you purchase them, they're there the next day. You know, like, and you know there's not going to be any messing about. I'm not one of these people that likes to do that. Anybody who knows me will tell you, even when I sell my gold, everything is done special delivery. But up in the corner, there's going to be another video. And if you want to choose from the playlist will be up in this corner as well. So I hope you like and subscribe. Basically, because at the end of the day, this is what makes the channel so amazing. You know, for me, having you guys, seeing the subscription growing on a monthly basis is just such a cool thing. It means that the content I'm putting out there, people are liking, you know, like people are enjoying what we're doing. Now, I'm going to be doing another video very shortly, which will be obviously the Fantastic Friday video, because of everything that's been going on this week. There is so much for me to talk about. So you will see these pieces again very, very soon. So I hope you've enjoyed it. Tune in, guys. I love you loads. Have a great day. Take care.